how to become an unstoppable positivity magnet. What's going on, guys? My name is Justin. I'm so thankful to have you here. As you can see, it's kind of dark and dreary and cold and rainy outside, so I figured why not do a great video to raise my vibrations and hopefully raise yours as well. So without further ado, let's just get right to it. So, a high positive, unstoppable, magnetic person. We all know these people, we all have seen these people, we all want to be these people. So how do we become this, right? How do we have that high vibration that just affects the world all around us? I'm gonna tell you. So, the first rule is stop comparing yourself. As we see some of these people that live so fearlessly, that live just this high vibrational life, they don't compare their worries, they don't compare their lives, they don't look at other people's chapters and be like, why am I not there yet? And so stop comparing your level 1 to someone else's level, 39, because you're on the right path. In fact, your level 1 might be someone else's level 40 that they're looking up to right now. So don't even worry about it. Stop comparing yourself and just start living. And the importance of not comparing yourself will also free you from any ego, will also free you from any, thoughts that you need to be this. Just go live life and just go enjoy it. And so without further ado, let's get to number 2, which is stop worrying. Easier said than done, yeah? Because we all have this natural worry and need to become accepted, or we get worried about what people will think about us. But in reality, that doesn't matter. I mean, when you can think about some of those positive, high vibration people, you can see that they kind of live freely, and people love that about them. When you're just that normal stick in the mud mimic that just kind of goes about life trying to get the appreciation of others, you're just gonna be, you're just gonna be boring. You're just gonna be lame. You're just gonna fit in. You're not gonna stand out and be that exciting, cool person that people are gonna be drawn to. So yeah, stop worrying about what other people think and expect of you. Just go live freely. What's the worst that can happen? Some people don't like you? Big whoop, man. Like, a lot of people don't like me. Dang. Now I'm thinking about that. But anyway, let's get right to it. So, number 3, the next thing you need to do in order to have that high vibration, that fun living life, is to set boundaries. What? Yeah, set these boundaries. Protect your energy. It is completely okay for you to live your whole free life, and it's okay for you to do that and limit the people that maybe they bring your energies down. Maybe they want to have conversations that aren't so important to you. Like for instance, maybe you get somebody that's really heavy into politics, and having those conversations with them gets kind of ugly. It's completely okay to set those boundaries. Remember that you have to value your time and your life over any other thing in existence, because you only have one and it's very precious. And so set those boundaries, go ahead, live a free life with no worries, and then stop comparing yourself. That's all it takes to have that free will of life, that high vibration. And when you start doing these things, you're gonna find that you are unstoppable, that people are drawn to you. The people that you always wanted in your lives are gonna start coming into your life. And the people that leave your life were just people that didn't really matter anyway. I know it sucks, but don't even worry about it. You're gonna get a whole new level of life out of this. And so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, if you learned something, smash that like button. And also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell, because I'm dedicating this year to making it all of our best years yet and raising all of our vibrations. See you later. Bye.